Today in class, you are going to finish the password activities that you started with Mrs. Nelson last time you were in the Media Center. So, in your course room, you'll need to open up the Digital Citizenship folder. And we are in this lesson, Password Power Up. So if I click into here, I can see that there are 3 different activities. And actually, I'm going to reorder these activities so that you get them in the right order. The one you started with Mrs. Nelson last time was the password power up if-then statements. So if you click, now remember your screen looks different than mine, so you would click here for my document. You will see those 5 scenarios that you were working on in Partners last time. Remember, there's more than one page to this. So there's scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are working with a partner to answer the questions, if this particular situation happened, then what could happen? When you are done with that with your partner, you need to close out a full screen and go back to this screen and submit assignment from there. Make sure that you turn that in. Then you use your breadcrumb trail to go back to the password power up folder. And now you're going to do the other 2 activities. So by the time it is time for book checkout, you will have done all 3 activities here. The second one is power up your password. Again, you will click on my document to open it up. This one is going to walk you through a strategy for creating a safe password in the first practice round, and then you will create that safe password on your own down below. So start with the phrase, "There's no way I'm kissing a frog." Write down just the first letter of each word in the phrase, T, N, W, I, K, A, F. Capitalize some of the letters. Add 1 or 2 memorable numbers. I'm going to copy that again, and I'm going to add 2019 because that's the current year. And then there's nothing to fill into this box. So now here you are going to come up with your own phrase. I'm going to delete this. You're going to come up with your own phrase, and then you're going to go through the same process with your own phrase. The password tips at the bottom are really challenging. Do your best and try those out, but they are very challenging. When that is done, and this you are doing on your own, this you are not doing with a partner, you're going to close out a full screen and you're going to submit this and go back to password power up folder with your breadcrumb trail. So the first activity is with partners. The second and third activity are on your own. Go into the password power up quiz, take the quiz, remember to click submit at the bottom when you are done. When all 3 of those activities are finished, you may go to typing agent, lessons only today, no games. And I will see you on the next day 5. Hope you have a great day.